One time, I brought, together with somebody else, a Tanzanian.
Olundi naleeta Omutanzania.
We brought 12 submachine guns.
Twaleeta submachine gun 12
from Bukoba in Tanzania.
Okuva Bukoba Tanzania.
Through Moshi, through Arusha, through Mombasa.
Okubita Moshi, Arusha,
Mombasa.
Ne Mombasa.
Then we put the guns on the train.
Bata emundu eddo ku train.
And we came and got them out at Uganda railway station.
Baditolera mu Uganda ku railway station.
And we hired a room.
Bapangisa akasenge.
There was a new lodge there at the end of the old town.
Walinga wakaloji kumbali y'ekibuga.
And we put our four boxes, each one with 3 submachine guns.
Twaba nebi box byaife bina nga buli kimu kirimu submachine gun 3.
And locked them there.
Twabisibira omwo.
Now, to stay in the room the whole day without moving, you would be suspicious.
Okusigala omwo nga timufulwimweku kyandireese okubuusabuusa nti ye bano dibani.
So we just got in taxis, just going anywhere.
Twafuna taxi twatambulanga butambule.
Go to the bus park, then they were so announced, Namwendwa, wa.
Baninanga buli taxi ede Namwendwa, dona nga bali kuninanga bunine.
Then you hear the last name.
Mabo obulira erina erisembayo.
The one they were announcing.
Lye basembayo okulanga.
And the last name was Namasagari.
Erisembayo yali Namasagali.
So we got in the taxi and we went all the way up to Namasagari, then came back in the evening, got our boxes out, got in the taxi, and got them to Kampala.
So bagenda Musagali basiibeeyo bayire iggulo baata ebintu byabwe mu motoka baanina taxi bagolola e Kampala.
And we had our camp in the forest in Kitierera.
Era baali n'enkambi yaibwe mu kibira ekitierera.
So Busoga participated in our struggle.
Busoga yakola ino mu lutwala lwaife.
However, I want you Ugandans to know
aye ndikwenda abana Uganda mu manne
that our liberation was not only by ourselves only.
Okwenunula tikwali bo bonka.
And I'm very happy to have a delegation from Tanzania.
Nsani kwenda okuba n'abagenyi okuva e Tanzania.
Stand up. Mwalimu Nyerere helped us a lot.
Mwalimu Nyerere yatuyamba ino.
In training, in equipment.
Mu birwanisa ebyokozesa.
Even he committed Tanzanian army to fight Idi Amin.
Yaleta n'amagye okudda okulwanisa Amin.
The other country which helped us
ensi edindi edatuyambako
was Mozambique.
Yali Mozambique.
So when you talk about the history, talk about it properly.
Bwe twogera nga twogera ebyafaayo obulungi.
Tanzania, Mozambique.
Tanzania, Mozambique.
Mwalimu Nyerere.
Mwalimu Nyerere.
Samora Machel.
Samora Machel.